you. And the window to prepare for Hurricane Delta is quickly decreasing, and the governor says by Friday it will be closed.
Fox 44's Jonah Gilmore has tonight's message from the governor.
Tonight, the clock is ticking to get prepared for Hurricane Delta. The governor says now is not the time to let your guard down, urging everyone to get a plan.
By the end of the day Thursday, you need to be where you intend to be as you ride out the storm.
Louisiana will weather yet another storm, and the governor says no matter how big or small, preparation is key.
We should get too fixated on any of this, but we should all be aware that the storm is coming, that it's going to be a very serious storm.
Officials say you should prepare as if you are going to be alone for the first 72 hours and as if the storm is one category higher than expected.
Even if it were to weaken to that point, the wind damage still would be extensive. The surge would still be at the same levels. The rainfall would be at the same levels. All the threats would still be there.
Delta's wind speed could drop, but that doesn't mean it won't have the same impact.
No one's going to notice the difference really between 100-mile-per-hour winds and 110-mile-per-hour winds. They're going to knock down trees, power lines are coming down. It's going to do significant damage.
Whether you're in the cone or out, the governor says everyone should adhere to the safety warnings.
We're not just speaking to Louisiana residents in the coastal area of our state. We're speaking to everybody in the state of Louisiana today.
Governor John Bel Edwards says he spoke with President Trump by phone, who indicated he will sign a declaration of emergency. Reporting in Baton Rouge tonight, Jonah Gilmore.